Hi, hello children. Let us continue the chapter 5 multiplication. Children, let us solve the exercise 5.6. First main, find the product. First question, 26 multiplied by 3. So, first of all, we multiply units. 6 multiplied by 3. 3 6 are 18. So, write 8 in unit place. 1 carry the tens place. Now, multiply tens. Now, 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 1 add the tens. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 tens. So, product is 78. Now, second question. 38 multiplied by 3. 2 8s are 30. 2 8s are 16. So, 6 write in unit place and 1 borrow in tens place. So, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So, answer is 76. Now, third question. 56 multiplied by 5. 5 6 are 30. Write 0 in unit place and 3 write in borrow the tens place. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 28. So, product is 280. Okay children, now we are going to second question. A flower has 5 petals. There are 25 flowers in a vase. How many petals are there in all? So, first of all, we write the number of flowers in a vase. There are 25 flowers. Now, number of petals in a flower. 5 petals in a flower. Now, we find out total number of petals. So, 25 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 write in unit place and 2 borrow in tens place. Now, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So, total number of petals is 125. Now, third question. The cost of a book is 65. Find the cost of 3 such books. So, first of all, we write cost of each book. 65. Now, number of books is 3. Now, we find out cost of 3 such books. Now, write here 65 multiplicand and write multiplier 3. Now, let us find the product. 3 5s are 15. So 5 write in unit place and 1 borrow in tens place. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So total cost of 3 such books 195. Now we are going to exercise 5.7. Let us solve. First main multiply. First question, 32 multiplied by 14. Here we multiply step by step. In first step, units. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8. Now we multiply tens. 4 3s are 12. 12. Now we are multiply tens. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Now we add the 8. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So product is 448. Now we are going to second question. 55 multiplied by 11. So first of all we add units. 5 multiplied by 1. 1 5s are 5. Write in unit place. Now we multiply tens. 1 multiplied by 5. So 1 5s are 5. Now we multiply the tens. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Now adding all. Now we get 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 1 borrow. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 605. Now third question, 41 multiplied by 22. So we multiplied, first of all we multiplied units. 1 multiplied by 2. 2 1s are 2. Now we multiply tens. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Now we multiply tens. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Now add it all. 2 as it is, right? 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1 borrow. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is 902. Now fourth question, 60 multiplied by 15. So first of all we multiply units. 0 multiplied by 5. When we multiply the 0 to number, we get Answer is 0. So write 0. Now we multiply tens. 5 6 are 30. Right? 30. Now we multiply tens. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now 1 6 are 6. So now add it all. 0, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 6 is 9. So answer is 900. Now fifth question. 41 multiplied by 23. Here first of all we multiply units. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Now we multiply tens. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now we multiply tens. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Now we add it all. 3 write as it is in unit place. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 8 is 9. Now answer is 943. Now sixth question. 85 multiplied by 10. First of all we multiply units. 0 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now we multiply tens. 0 multiplied by 8 is 0. Now we multiply tens. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Now we add it all. 0 write as it is. 0 plus 5 5. Write 8 as it is. Now answer is 850. Let us solve the second main. Solve the following. First question. Peter's stamp book has 30 pages. Each page has 12 stamps. Totally, how many stamps are there in his book? First of all, we write number of pages in stamp book. Stamp book. How many pages? 30 pages. Now write number of stamps in each page. Each page. 12 stamps. Now we make multiply. Find out the total number of stamps. Total number of stamps in book. Okay children, now multiply it in units first. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Right, 0 here. 2 3s are 6. Right? 6 here. And already we make multiply units. So leave one place. And next tens. We multiply the tens. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 threes are 3. Right here. And add it all. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 3 only is there. Write 3 as it is. So answer is 360. So total number of stamps in book 360. Now we are going to second question. There are 43 students in Ramu's class. If each paid rupees 10 for charity, what is the total amount collected? So first of all, write number of students in Ramu's class. How many students are there? 43 students. So write 43. Now each amount paid for charity. 10 rupees. So we total amount collected, total amount collected. Let us we find out. So children, make multiply 43 multiply by 10. First of all, we multiply in tens. 0 into 3 is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. Leave it ones place. After we multiply by tens. 1 threes are 3. 1 fours are 4. So add it all. 0 only 1 is there. 0 plus 3 is 3. So 4 write as it is. 430. Total amount collected 430 rupees. Now we are going to third question. 52 roses are required to make a garland. How many roses are required to make 15 garlands? So children, first of all we write number of roses required to make one garland. One garland. 50 2. Number of roses required to make one garland, 52 roses. Now, number of roses required to make 15 garlands. So, we find out total number of roses. So, children, we start the multiply with units. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 5 2s are 10. So, write 0 unit place, 1 borrow in tens place. Now 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Now units place over. Now we multiply in tens. 1 multiplied by 2. 1 2s are 2. Now multiply 1 multiply by 5. 1 5s are 5. So total we should add it here. 0, right, as it is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. So total 780 roses required to make 15 garlands. So 780 roses we need to require make a 15 garlands. Thank you, children.